What's going on, Rankin family? So we are back again with another property tour. So this is Tri Pointe Homes, and you may not know who Tri Pointe Homes is. I don't showcase them much on the channel, but they previously merged with Trendmaker a couple years ago. So that name may ring a bell, but trust me, you are absolutely going to love this. So of course, you're going to have your double doors, and as soon as you walk in, you're going to be greeted with the beautiful curved staircase right there and the high ceilings. You have this stainless steel chandelier coming down, and we'll start right here to the left in the first bedroom. So you have your standard ceiling fan right there. You have carpet inside of the bedrooms with your 5-inch baseboards inside of here. So I do get a lot of mixed comments and mixed reviews as far as, do you like the bedroom immediately right here to the left when you walk in, or would you rather a bedroom be further out and the study be right here? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Like I said, it's probably 50-50, honestly. Okay. And then this is going to be the bathroom attached. You have your window right there with your tile backsplash. You have plenty of space for your walk-in shower. You got the white cabinetry with the stainless steel handles. I think it would look fantastic if you were to add a mirror frame in there, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on that as well. So that was the first bedroom. And right here, you're going to have a closet. So you'll definitely have a study. The study's in a unique place. I don't think we've seen where the study is in other homes that we've seen. But this will be the utility room right here. And of course, the sales office would be the garage. And you'll have your powder bath right here as well. You may be wondering what kind of flooring we have in here. We have laminate flooring. And this is going to be your kitchen open to your great room. So you definitely have plenty of space. You have your wooden range hood with the upgraded cabinetry on top. Stainless steel appliances inside of here. With the island, you have plenty of space with the glass blowout lighting fixtures. I love those. And this will be your walk-in pantry. Look how much space you have in here. If you recall, a lot of the pantries that we see, they really don't have a lot of the storage on top. And I love that. And I love the extra storage that you can use for your spices and things like that. And then now you'll see the beautiful great room. You have the stone electric fireplace all the way to the ceiling right there. You have all the natural lights on top with the upgraded sliding glass door right there. You have plenty of space. And if you notice, I love the windows right there that adds more natural light to your dining room area right here. Wow. And I'll pan right here so you can see how we're looking. Gorgeous. So you definitely have plenty of space. I want to show you the study. It's in an interesting place. It's actually off-centered to the kitchen right here. You have your LED ceiling fan inside of here. The laminate flooring extends inside of here. You definitely have plenty of space. If you notice on top, you also have a recessed lighting, adding a lot more light inside of here. It illuminates a place very, very well. So you had your first bedroom when you walked in to the left. You have your study that's right next to the kitchen. And let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. So you have your wooden exposed beams with your stainless steel chandelier right overlooking your king size bed with laminate flooring again. Look at these oversized nightstands. They're like dressers pretty much. But I'll go ahead and pan right here. You definitely have enough space in here. I love, love, love when they put the rug inside of here. I think it just adds that cozy feel, especially when you wake up in the morning. Sometimes it's not pleasant to, put your feet on the cold tile. But this will be your oversized primary bathroom with the rectangular soak-in tub. You got your his and her sink. We got a couple lights off right here, but Gorgeous. And then you have your vanity area right here. Plenty of mirrors in here to look at yourself. And then this is your nice size walk-in shower. You have your shower niche right there with your shower bench built in with the tile backsplash. And this will be your primary closet. So you got obviously this side right over here. And then you got the other section right here. So you have plenty of space and a storage area right here. Fantastic. And I just love that you have so much space inside of here. Vanity area is great. And if you are a returning viewer, folks, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you can obviously reach out. We'll definitely get you taken care of. And I highly suggest you consider hitting that subscribe button. I love to have you a part of the Rankin family. You definitely won't regret it. All right, they got this little area right here. As soon as you walk up the stairs, we're gonna have carpet up here. And this would be overlooking the great room. So you definitely have plenty of space. Let's go ahead and go straight and look how beautiful the game room is. So you have plenty of space with the exposed beams on top, recessed lighting, LED ceiling fan. And I love that you can overlook the great room right here. Wow. Plenty of lighting in here. No need to even have these lights on. Energy efficient inside of here. So I love the tray ceilings, and this will be your media room. I get a lot of comments and folks talk about how the media room is extremely small. So I hope this does a little bit justice. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this one as well. I mean, and a lot of times the media rooms, they really aren't priority to a lot of these builders, just because sometimes you got to pick your poison, right? So maybe you don't really care as much about the media room, but the bedrooms are most important to you. And that's usually what I find with a lot of potential home buyers, is that they care most importantly is how much space one is in the kitchen, the great room, and other common areas, right? And then secondary would be the bedrooms, and then really the last priority would be the media room. So I think that's why a lot of these builders may skimp on this media room. Of course, that is a theory right there. Don't hold me to it, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. Okay, so you have this bathroom that's connecting to the hallway right there. So folks that are in the media room or the game room would just be able to use that bathroom right there. In the last bathroom, will have its own bathroom attached. And right before we get into that, you'll have another closet right here. And this is the last bedroom. So that's what we're looking like right here. You got your built-in bench right here. You definitely have plenty of space, in my opinion, because you have a queen size bed with 2 nightstands, and it's not snug, which is great. And I love that they added the window inside of the closet. So that is what we're looking like right here. And I'll show you the bathroom before we get to the backyard downstairs. Like I said, I definitely would have added the mirror framings right there. I love the mirror frames. I think it just adds a nice little touch. Of course, it's not priority, but it definitely is nice. You got your shower tub combo, stainless steel shower head inside of there. And that was the second level, folks. Last but not least, will definitely be the backyard. A lot of times when you have a property this big, most importantly, you want a decent sized backyard, maybe just a drink a morning coffee, or even when the kids get off of school, they want to go outside and play. So this is on a 60-foot lot right here. There are other lots to build, and there are inventory right now at the time of this video. So reach out, of course, if you want more information. And you have your oversized covered backyard patio. Plenty of space. You got tile flooring inside of here. Look, I'll sit down. Can you imagine just relaxing right here? And when they do sell off this model house, you'll even have a brick wall. You don't have to worry about fencing or backyard neighbors, which is great. And that, folks, is Tri Pointe Homes. Rankin family, so that was Tri Pointe Homes. I hope you loved it just as much as I did. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. It's definitely a little different than some of the other ones that we've showcased, but the interior is pretty similar as far as furniture is concerned. So of course, if you want more information, I have all of it in the description below for you, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.